Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily convert any video to an audio file. So for the first step is that you want to head over to your Chrome browser. Once you're in your Chrome browser, what you're going to do now is that you're going to type in Mp4 to Mp3 converter. So once you've typed that, you're going to click on this website that is called Free Convert. Now, once you click on the Free Convert website, what you're going to do now is you're going to choose the file you want to convert from Mp4 to Mp3. Click on the device, click on Media Picture. Now scroll down and find the video that you want to convert to an Mp3. So once you've selected your video, what you're going to do now is that you want to select your output option. It's either you want to convert it to an Mp3, to an OGG, a WAV format, a WMA, or all the above, as you can see right over there. So I want to convert it to a WAV format. So I'm going to select on the WAV format and click on the convert button. It's going to load. Now it's easily uploading the video. Now as you can see, it has finished converting the video. So what you're going to do now is that you're going to click on the download button. So once you click on the download button, your download should start and you can easily check the details right over here. So as you can see, it's downloading the file but in an MP3 format. So there you have it. We've successfully converted a video to an audio format. As you can see, there is our audio format.
The average channel in the YouTube Partner Program can make anywhere between 1.
So that's how you can easily convert any video to an audio file.